Experience the convenience and flavor of homemade dehydrated snacks with the Cosori Food Dehydrator. Designed in California, this powerful dehydrator offers a 600 watts rated power and a maximum temperature of 73 degrees Celsius, ensuring efficient and precise dehydration. With its large drying space, premium stainless steel trays, and user-friendly features, the Cosori Food Dehydrator is your gateway to creating delicious and nutritious treats for the whole family. Here are the key features of Cosori Food Dehydrator for Jerky. Large drying space. Fully equipped for dehydrating success. When you choose the Cosori Food Dehydrator, you receive a complete package. It includes 6 stainless steel trays measuring 12 by 13 inches, providing ample space to dehydrate a variety of foods. Additionally, you'll find a mesh screen and a fruit roll sheet, expanding your dehydrating possibilities. The included user manual and 50 recipe cookbook offer guidance and inspiration for creating a wide range of delectable treats. Discover endless options with the Cosori Food Dehydrator. Large capacity for family snacking. Dehydrate enough snacks to satisfy the entire family with the Cosori Food Dehydrator's generous 6.5 square feet of dry bean space. From homemade jerky to dried fruits, herbs, meat, and even yogurt, this dehydrator offers the capacity to accommodate your diverse snacking needs. Enjoy the satisfaction of preparing wholesome snacks for your loved ones. Precise temperature and timer control. Take full control of the dehydration process with the digital control panel. Set the timer for up to 48 hours to achieve the desired level of dehydration. The temperature control allows you to select the perfect drying temperature between 95 to 165 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring that your foods retain their optimal flavor, texture, and nutrients. Experience precise and consistent results with every use. Premium material trays for safety and durability. The Cosori Food Dehydrator features 304 food-grade stainless steel trays, guaranteeing the safety and quality of your dehydrated foods. These trays are not only durable but also dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Simply place them on the top rack of your dishwasher and remove them before the drying cycle. Enjoy the convenience of hassle-free maintenance. Quiet and user-friendly operation. With noise levels less than 48 dB, the Cosori Food Dehydrator operates quietly, allowing you to dehydrate your foods without disturbing your daily activities. The one-touch start button initiates the dehydration process, giving you the freedom to focus on other tasks or even get a good night's sleep while your snacks are being prepared. Safety features for peace of mind. The Cosori Food Dehydrator prioritizes your safety. The auto shut-off function ensures that the dehydrator turns off as soon as the timer ends, preventing over-drying. Additionally, the overheat protection system activates if the dehydrator overheats, providing an extra layer of security. Rest easy knowing that your dehydrator is designed with your safety in mind. Glass door for easy monitoring. The Cosori Food Dehydrator features a convenient glass door, allowing you to keep an eye on your snacks throughout the entire dehydration process. Monitor the progress without interrupting the drying cycle, ensuring that your snacks are perfectly dehydrated to your desired level of crispness. Conclusion: unlock the world of homemade dehydrated snacks with the Cosori Food Dehydrator. With its powerful performance, large capacity, precise controls, and premium materials, this dehydrator empowers you to create delicious and healthy treats for your family. Enjoy the convenience, flavor, and versatility that this dehydrator brings to your kitchen. Invest in the Cosori Food Dehydrator and embark on a journey of culinary exploration.